folks, and welcome back to Aussie Action 4x4. In this episode, we're back at Glasshouse and testing out this brand new NP300 Nissan Navara. If you look closely on the Pathfinder, you'll notice it's a bit taller than last time. That's because we've also installed a 2-inch lift on this beast as well. Tune in next week to see how we did it. Giving Anthony a bit of a brief. This is the track that, if you saw our last Glasshouse adventure, we went around to the chicken track way on the right, and the left way is a bunch of ruts. That's where the patrol went through. Got a bit, had wheels flexing everywhere. Are you gonna go to the left or the right? Okay.
It looks scary.
I probably should have brought a handheld regulator for this one. I'll have to guide you around the. All right, here they come. That 2-inch lift definitely helps this vehicle. Let's see, 2-inch in the front, stock back. Nice flex in the back with that solid axle. There we go. Yeah, they keep dirt in my face. Let's see if Anthony's car lifts the wheel on this part. Not all wheels stick to the ground. There you go. Too easy. There we go. It's shaking a little bit. Okay, he's coming. Did you want me to move that stick? Oh, never mind. Yo, like that. Look at that. Don't roll down the hill, okay? Try go straight. Try turn a bit more left. I'd say, so you don't, yeah. Send it a little bit. This might not have been the right track. Yo. I feel like we should have gone a bit more straight on to that.
Okay, just hold on, I'll give you a spot through that.
Yeah, hang on. Let's see this, how this new tires, new lift kit works. was bad.
Yo, that was scary, dude.
How good is
I was
that?
scared for you.
Yeah.
I was scared for you.
I was like, should I guide him or just film? I'll just film.
Because you kept going and I kept seeing the car going, oh.
Yeah, because I think I was too far this way, so I was on that route. So that tipped me over too far. And then when I came up this way, it just went all the way up. And I was like,
That was sketchy, yeah.
oh, that's cool.
That's awesome, bro.
And that's the chicken track there as well.
Yeah, that's the chicken track.
Let's go. Now it's pretty much pretty easy from now. I probably should have guided you a bit better there.
Yo, that was sick.
Onward. That was a bit hairy there, folks, but we got out of it. The Pathfinder's traction control definitely helped it through that section, and the new Nissan Navara, wow, is that thing capable. It's got a locked diff in the back and traction control, as well as that solid axle just pushing down the opposite side allows for so much traction.
There we go.
I think it's time to test out these rigs even more. I think it's time we headed to the Playpen. Your front wheel's like that far off the ground and then the back ride's spinning. You might have to give it a bit more juice.
I think I'm sitting on the bottom.
What'd you say?
I think I'm sitting on the bottom.
Stop.
Try going side to side again as well. Damn, this is a bit of a special one. bit of a, that's a big wheel lift spot there. Oh, I heard a bit of a click in there.
Yeah, a little bit clicky.
I should be able to get up and over for you.
We'll find out. Is he going to lift as well? Let's see. Oh, what? Too easy. How do you feel now, Max?
No! What? Scrape the bottom. I was like up like that.
Yeah, that was massive. Did you have your diff locked at the back? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Probably be different without this lock.
Yeah.
No, dude.
It wasn't long until we took a few wrong turns, but the ones we took this time led us to the canyon track, so we tested the rigs there too. Yeah, don't go up that one. That was it. It's very sketchy. Do you feel like you're gonna tip over? Okay. Nothing. Just that rut in the middle. All right. Then there's a rut just down there in the middle. That was so sketchy. Too easy. He make it look easy. Oh. Well. Straight up. There you go folks, Nissan vs Nissan, Ute versus Wagon. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment of what you thought, and give it a like if you liked it. See you next time. Aussie Action, out.